Hello guys, how are you all? My name is Afreen. So today in this particular video, I'm just going to give you a very important news that you can just download free of cost this PDF which contain 300 plus questions of the PPB, which is very important for your exam preparation. All you have to do is what? All you have to do is to just click on the link which is given in the description box of this video. When you are just clicking on the link, you will find that there is a email which is asking from you. You just put your email ID there, and when you have put your email ID there, you will find a downloadable link for this PDF. This PDF contains 300 plus most important questions of PPB, which is very relevant for your exam practices, and plus answers is also included in this PDF. Okay, so very important PDF for all of you. Just go and download this PDF now and take the maximum benefit of this free compilation video. Thank you so much, guys. Have a very nice day. Take care. Bye bye. Bye, guys.